Barubus.
So Sasha stays close to you too, right?
Oh, Basha, yeah, she does. She does her own thing. She's very aloof, typical husky,
But she needs to know where you guys are, or no?
No, not so much. I bring them to work with me, and we were barbecuing outside of the warehouse, and I was working on the other side of a 24,000 square foot warehouse. We had some guests at the warehouse, and the boss was barbecuing, making burgers and stuff, and she went out with all the other people, and she was outside in the parking lot doing her own thing, and one of the people who were visiting were like, "This dog's okay out here?" And they're like, "Oh yeah, that's fine."
Look at how big this cucumber is. It's massive.
is that?
The thing has to weigh like what, a pound?
Maybe.
We'll have to put it on the
What
scale and
is
see.
that?
It's
Zinja,
massive.
you could eat that in one setting, couldn't you?
Get a workout lifting it.
Zinja, what is that?